everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make tofu scramble with gear mushroom at home. Tofu scramble with gear mushroom can take only 5 to 10 minutes to make it, and it is a great way to start off your day right. This is a yummy recipe that can be used at any meal of the day. For breakfast, you can eat tofu scramble with sticky rice or white rice and bread. You can also add it to burrito and sandwich for lunch and dinner. The choice is yours and the possibilities are endless. Be sure that the tofu you use is soybean tofu and not tofu from animal product. Soybean tofu is very healthy for your body and has a great source of proteins and has all 9 essential amino acids which are important for your body to work properly and has other vitamins and minerals. I have tofu, gear mushrooms, dills, tomatoes, chopped garlic, chopped shallot, salt, soy sauce, mushroom seasoning, turmeric powder, and cooking oil. First of all, you are going to crumble the tofu with your hand. Keep crumbling until the tofu is in small pieces or the size you are wanting. When you are finished, set the tofu to the side and start dicing the mushrooms. I use about 3 grams of gear mushroom for this recipe. When you finish, put the pieces of mushroom into a small bowl. Turn on the stove to medium heat and add the tofu to the pan. The heat causes the water in the tofu to evaporate and get more dry. Stir the tofu for about 1 minute and then add the mushrooms. Continue to stir the mixture about 1 minute. Add shallot and garlic into the pan. Stir this mixture frequently to keep the shallot and garlic from burning. For some extra flavor, try adding some soy sauce. Next, adding salt, mushroom seasoning, turmeric powder. I love how the turmeric gives the tofu such a beautiful color. You will want to make sure your mixture is seasoning in really well. Once you're done, add the tomatoes. You can add some cooking oil at this point if you want to. Please make sure the oil is kept from high temperature. The final step is to pour this beautiful meal onto the plate and add some dills as garnish so it looks more colorful and delicious. Now your dish is finished. Scrambled tofu with gear mushroom. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and that you add it to your diet. Please let me know if there are any other recipes that you would like to see me cook, and I will try my best to make a healthy version of it. Thank you for watching.